Hello friends and Christians. We've been gathered here today. As you see, I had to clean up because I've been asked to do a job out of this stuff, aluminium. I don't know, there's nasty pits in it. I've been asked to do a paying job, which I don't really like doing because that means you've got to tidy up the place. So I've learned how to use one of these. It's a quick job. It's a paying job. But I ordered these, and this was supposed to be 6mm by 25. Well, that is like 6mm by 50, is it? Yeah, 6 by 50. So cutting it in half, obviously you're not going to get 25 because of the thickness of the blade. Plus, there's so many pluses. Plus, I'm going to have to cut it by hand. Plus, see, I'm going to have to get some covers for the voice, because I can't be marking this too much because I've got to polish it. So we got to cut that in half. And I'm talking to my fucking self again. Right, no I'm not. I'm talking to my mates. So we got to cut that in half. Somehow. So it's pretty straight, even though I don't look like. So I was going to put that on there like that. Should be alright. Let's just drill it out. You can't beat these old voices. Do you want to go in or what? Put me in there. Lay in there like a dead dog, you know? People see him laying there like a dead dog and it's like shouting at me. Watch how fast this gets. Cluttered. I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to put it on the miller to make sure my cut is good enough. But now we all know disc cutters do not like aluminium. So we're going to have to force the issue a bit, ain't we? Because it's got to be done. Danger, danger, Will Robertson. You know this stuff gets hot as well. Put your wood away. We got to cut this. We all know the more scratches you put on, the more scratches you got to take off. great if you're in that sort of mood, but I'm not. Right, he wants it dead 4 inches. So what's that leaving me? Not a fucking lot. I got 1 inch perks. I don't know. You know, we're talking, this is going to be spot on. We're not messing about now, like we're serious. We got our serious head on. 1. Step 1. You find a girl you like. Step 2. You kiss and hold her tightly. Okay, that does get up. Right, there's our 2 pieces. That piece goes as perks. You know, that was the first song I ever learned to play on a guitar. It's called The Third Man, I believe. Long time ago. Not on the floor. Let's be posh now, come on. There you go, in that posh. For all your friends, very posh. Shove it in my bin. Put it away. Stay boy. 6. What size holes going in there? 6 mil. 6 mil, 12. You can add on 2 10s is 20, 25. So we're going for 7 fucking inches. Woman in bed is sleeping by me. Nobody knows who the fuck she is. We'll mill it before we bill it. That is bigger than this end. By 2 mil. I hate having eyes like this because they just pick up every damn fucking thing. This is one of them jobs. Oh, if you make one, you'll get 10 orders straight away. I don't want 10 orders. I don't want 10 orders. I've heard it all be fucking full. It's all baloney and balloons. So Babylonian. Oh yeah, I gave 100 people one that straight away. Bite them all off. You're forgetting I'm like 60 odd. It's coming up 64. And I've heard it before. Fucking hell, that's fucking right. I'm 64, I heard it before. Fuck off, stop knocking my door. I really think that gets hotter than fucking metal. It is metal. Well, you know what I mean then. I need another middle of there. It should be about 25 fucking mil now. Oh look, 25 mil. The day's not started until you drop something. Welcome to the house of fun. Blue fingers again. blue finger, man. What I'm gonna make is a 13mm T-bar to fit the slot of the gun. That's the sort of thing I'm looking for, is a T-bar, but that's too fat. I can tell you that for £3.50. So we're open to thinning it out a bit. Oh, that's what we did with the T-bar. Completely, utterly altered it, the shape. That's the bars. So it's all there. I've just got to finish the T-bar. That goes on there like that, and then that locks the gun on. So that just locks there like that. That should lock into the gun. I'm going to do another hole there now with a little dimple in, just so that stays dead in line, was my idea. And you know my ideas.
Did you want a coffee, love?
Oh, what a lovely thought. So I done a little dicky on there. Rabbit swore. That's gonna fit in there, just drop in, hopefully. Like that. That's just keeping that square. Then that screws into that one. Well, it should. So then that's got to stay in line. It can't move, you see. I know I heard you the first 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 time. Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotions because you bought me a string vest. We'll give it another buff. We're gonna buff. We're gonna buff. We're gonna buff down to. That's it. That's what it looks like. You can just alter. This is for professional guns, not us toy boys. And it just all locks together. Thanks for watching this very strange video, but as you know, I get up to some strange stuff. Time to go home, time to go home. Do 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 do. Time to go home. That's something you don't see every day.